So thank you very much for having us here
No worries. No
and
worries.
being with us today. We travel into the world.
Appreciate it.
Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Sure, sure. So my name is Ahmed Gabir. I'm the managing director of Egypt Sunmarine Fleet. Egypt Sunmarine Fleet is a snorkeling and a diving experience provider all over the Red Sea resorts. انت عايزني ابص لك ولا ابص للكاميرا؟
Hi.
اثنين مش مشكلة.
So, how is your, well, can you tell me a bit about your company? What
Sure.
you offering?
So our name is Egypt Sunmarine Fleet. Again, we are the largest marine excursion provider all over the Red Sea resorts in Egypt. So what we do provide is snorkeling and diving experiences on board our fleet. We have over 50 boats and we accommodate up to 7,000 guests a day, every day.
How is your company adopting changes on travel preferences?
That's a really good question. So actually, to adapt to the travel changes, what we do is that we have different boats with different designs catered for different category of guests. So we've got some boats that do accommodate adults only, like the Elite VIP cruise. So this only accommodates adults only. We've got another product that only accommodates families. We've got another product that accommodates more elderly people who don't have that much time to spend on board, so on and so forth. So that's actually how we tackle it. So we've got a lot of products that cater to every single aspect of guests that you do need.
What makes your cruises different from competitors?
Our designs, for sure, our service, and the most important thing is that while we provide our tours, we never use any outsourced third-party provider. So it comes from transportation to our fleet, to our boats, even the transportation to and from the hotels. We use our own buses. We've got over 45 buses just catered to move guests from and to the hotels. So we never use any third-party providers in our operations, which is, I think, one of the most important stuff to do.
How eco-friendly you are?
That's a bit hard question, but I think we are doing quite good at this part. I think I can give an example on that. So, like for instance, on our boats, all the engines that we do use are the updated versions of engines. So, which reduces the fuel consumption, waste, so on and so forth. Our, for instance, like the toilets on board, they're all biodegradable. So we've got this system on board that filters out everything and just takes out water to the sea, just like to not harm the marine life in the Red Sea, especially. So I think that's how we tackle it sometimes.
And how important is Emit for you this year?
Well, it's our first time to come to Emit, to be honest. We usually exhibit in Europe, in London, in Berlin, but Egypt have seen a lot of Turkish guests for the past couple of years, and that's why we decided to try and give it a try if it's going to work out. And actually, it's doing great. It's actually one of the best shows that we've attended so far. But we have been exhibiting for the past 4 years so far, but it's our first time here to be at Emit, and hopefully not the last time for sure. Hopefully.